What's the meaning of assimilate? Assimilate. Assimilate.
Assimilate. Assimilate. The word assimilate refers to the process of absorbing information, experiences or ideas into one's own understanding or culture. It involves taking in and incorporating new knowledge or beliefs, and making them a part of one's own identity. The result of assimilation can include a shift in attitudes, behaviors, and even language. It can also lead to greater understanding and acceptance of other cultures. However, it can also result in the loss of distinct cultural traditions and practices, as the assimilated culture may be subsumed by the dominant culture.